Hello, my name is Leo from TL Lab. Welcome to new episode of Popular Science. In this part we'll visualize ionizing radiation with expansion cloud chamber. We'll work with type of expansion cloud chamber, which works on principle of alcohol saturated chamber and affected by voltage about 150 volt. This type of cloud chamber was invented by Charles Wilson in 1911. In this chamber we'll visualize ionizing radiation and produce clouds which are completely different from those clouds on the sky. When ionizing particles go through the air, they cause the air become charged. Alcohol vapor condenses on that trails and we see cloud trails. In this experiment we'll use one little portable expansion chamber. Here are the electrodes, where is potential difference of 150 volt. Here is the source of radiation in this black part. That is piece of porcelain with uranium glass containing uranium-238 as source of alpha particles, which throws alpha particles away. Alpha particles are thrown out from the radioactive material during radioactive decay. Their range is 2 to 10 centimeters. They can't go through the paper. Here is also isopropyl alcohol, which is very volatile and flammable alcohol. We'll drip a little bit of it here. Here. Here is syringe with which we vacuum the chamber to get conditions of low pressure to create clouds. Now we just need to switch on 150 volt power and light for you to see the clouds. Here are light, 2 LED diodes, and now power on. Let's go. Now in the vacuum chamber is air and evaporated isopropyl. We'll quickly pull the syringe to get small momentary vacuum. Here are the clouds. I hope you enjoyed this type of clouds. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel.